Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use growth tools in Consistent Cart. The growth tools are used to help increase subscription. Once you gain a subscriber, you can contact them using abandoned cart recovery flow, automated campaign, or marketing campaigns. We have built two of our own growth tools, the add to cart pop-up and the notification prompt. These two tools are automatically detected on your website. The growth tool offers integration possibility with market-intending applications like Privy, Video, etc. This offers more than 5x cart recovery by capturing more emails and easily converting first-time visitors into your customers. We have created a detailed video inside Add to Cart pop-up and notification prompt. We will focus on integration in this video. For example, if you have installed Privy and if someone enters their email in the Privy pop-up, we will automatically capture it and tie it to their shopping cart. The source of the contact information for the cart on the activity monitor would show Privy. So you can see that this email came from Privy. If you have enabled a Privy pop-up, we capture the email address for you from here. When a user subscribes, entering his email address, it's recorded and recovered on our site. As you can see, the source of this contact is from Privy. We have made it really easy for you with automatic integrations. The activity is recorded and automatically set up for you.